now. I've been away for a very long time. Officially an engineer now. And today I have my new and improved foundation routine. During lockdown, there was a lot of like lives, like free lives with all my faves, like danessa. But loads of makeup artists were giving out their secrets for free, so I made sure I tuned in, took some notes, bought some new products, and this was formed. So this is my new updated foundation routine. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys learned something from it, and yeah, let's go. To begin with, I am going to be using the Vanish Seamless Finish Liquid Foundation. It is gonna come off very orange, but it does oxidize, which is what I learned. I was fuming when I got it because it's such a nice foundation and it's bloody expensive. This thing's like 50 quid, but once it oxidizes, you'll understand the reason why one would pay 50 pounds. Like, guys, the elevation is about to happen. Before I do that, I'm gonna prime, and to prime I use, and this is never gonna change, H&M mattifying primer, which I put in my T-zone. Then I set it with the Mercier powder. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to use 1 pump of the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which is finishing, but I've had this for a while, and yeah, 1 pump is enough. I'm going in with the Zoeva 100 ml buffing brush. Concealer, I'm going in with the Kevyn concealer in the shade 08. I usually use the shade 07, but I decided to get the darker version as like a first concealer because I love the formula. I'm gonna go on top with 07. I think I want to go a little bit brighter today, so I'm gonna go on top with the Too Faced Butterscotch concealer, just a little bit because yeah, I just want to be really bright. Okay, so that is my concealer done. I'm looking all bright and beautiful. So now I am going to use the Danessa Myricks bronzer. Now guys, I don't hear a lot of people talking about this. The first person I heard talk about this was Gary the plastic boy, who is amazing. His skin work, flawless. He's like, if you are into skin, he is probably like one of the best people to watch because he really knows how to teach and he knows how to find good products. So this is what he was using in his video, and I was just like, and I also saw makeup by Huda use it on another girl. So I was like, okay, so this is a thing. So yeah, it looks quite, it doesn't look that dark, but it really brings out the bronzing. I'm going to do a whole separate video on bronzing, so wait for that. I'm just waiting to go back to uni to get my kit, and then I can educate you guys on bronzing. Yeah, this is the shade Deep, and I just use this Cherie 109 brush, dab a little bit, and then just go straight in. Okay, so you see how all the creams are just melting together? That is what we want. Where is my foundation brush? So you want everything to just melt together, like so. So I'm going to do the other side. I still use my Huda Beauty tan, but just in the, let me show you a comparison of the two. So you can see this one's more bronzing and this one is more contour. So it's a contour, just the hollows of my cheek. I'm going to use that. This is still probably like one of my faves. And if you can't find the Danessa Myricks one, you should get this one in medium. So I forgot to press record, but what I did was just put mercier powder. Usually I don't use this much, but I went on with a heavy hand, so I have to stick with it. Then I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Blondie powder, just a little bit. The scent irritates my nose and eyes, but the powder is amazing, so. The bronzer, I'm going to use the makeuprevolution Splendour bronzer. I'm going to do a separate video on this, probably tomorrow. And I'm just going to set to set my face. I'm going to be using the Morphe setting spray, continue setting mist. Probably using more than I need, but you know me, I like to soak my face. So, the last thing I'm going to do is add a bit of blusher. That I'm going to use this palette by shopkembeauty, and I'm using the shade Cherie. Lashes, I'm going to be using the shopkembeauty lashes in this shade, in the style Eva. Okay, So this is the completed look. My new and improved foundation routine. I absolutely love it. It just looks like I'm wearing a filter. I will be doing a drugstore version of it because it's more about the technique I use rather than the products. Even though the products are amazing, that's more about the technique. But I just love how bronzed I look, and yeah, cute.
I don't want stress, no drama. I don't want fight, no wahala. Nobody should stress me at all. If it's drama, then I don't